How is it going, investors? Let's see how you can buy some cryptocurrency using the Bitstamp platform. So I'm using Bitstamp for a long time now, and it's very reliable. It's one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It's been there since 2011, so it's reliable. It charges a 0.3, 0.4 fee for every trade you make, which is decent enough. So you need to deposit some fiat currency like USD or euros on the platform. I already deposited some. I have some euros on the platform, 500 to be exact. To buy crypto, in this instance, I'm gonna be buying some Ethereum. You go on markets, search for Ethereum, ETH, trade, ETH, and since I have euros, not USDs, I switch on ETH euro pair, trading pair. The price today is 1,700 euros. It fluctuates a lot. If we look at the all-time chart, now I think it's a decent spot to buy. I keep it for a multiple year period, and it's hopefully going to be appreciated over time. So you can make a limit offer to set a limit price that you want to buy your Ethereum at, but I will just buy it instantly on the market for this instance. I'm gonna be using all of my budget, which is 500 euros, and as you can see, the fee here and the approximate amount is 0.29 ETH that I'm going to get. So you just click this button and the trade is done, since it's an instant order. If we go back on my dashboard, you can see that I have no euros now, but I have more Ether instead, and we can even see it in my transaction history that today I bought this amount of Ethereum on this rate for this value price, and the fee was 2 euros. Hope it was useful for you. Thanks for checking in.